What do you want your life to look like? More importantly, what do you want it to feel like? What do you say we help you get a little more clear on that?
Namaste, beautiful soul. Mooney Christine here from mcglowup.com, and I am here to review a brand new budget planner with you. Ready? We're going to dive right into it. All right, so I picked this up because at the time of filming, we are wrapping up 2021. It's the end of November, and I decided to get a jump on my planners. I was getting my 12-month regular planner, which will be in another video. I'll put a card somewhere around here. And I decided, what the hell, why not grab a budget planner? So I'm so excited. Let's take a look. So this is the Law of Attraction budget planner, and I will put a link below for you to grab it. So this is how it comes. Look at this beautiful packaging. They do have several different options, but this is the one that I chose. And so it was sealed in, some clear cellophane. So I took that off, and you have this beautiful woman. We've got some rose gold embossing going on here with all of these different affirmations. Okay, like, I effortlessly attract unlimited abundance. My bank account never stops growing. My attitude towards money is always positive. I am a money magnet and attract more than enough money. I'm taking steps to make my dreams a reality. I have the power to manifest anything. My financial future is secure. I am creating the life of my dreams. I deserve financial abundance. And then you've got all of the diamonds, all of the bling all around. And then she has a beautiful lotus. Okay, so this is what it comes in. It's like a little box. And we'll open this up. Now I have opened this, but I haven't filled it in because I wanted to do this review for you. Of course, I had to break the seal. So what you get with it, you get the budget planner, and you get this cool book, The Millionaire Secrets: 16 Proven Habits to Achieve a Millionaire Life. And let me see, I'm not gonna read it to you, but there are 48 pages in here, plus the back cover. And it's got all types of guidance and things for you so that you can slip into your role as a millionaire. Okay, so we have that book, and then here is the budget planner itself. So beautiful. This one is undated. Okay, and it's got like a I think this is like a leather cover. It's really nice. On the side you have a slot for your pen. I like to use these really pretty bling pens. So boom, fits just like that. Okay, so you've got your pen. Yay! So let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look. So it does have this I don't know, banner that wraps around it. A 12-month journey to financial freedom. Follow 9 proven steps to get out of debt fast and build your financial freedom. So I purchased this not because I wanted to use it to get out of debt and all of that, but because I have my own businesses, and so I need an easy way to track my incomings and outgoings. So if we take, if we take this banner off, then you can see the cover. So it looks just like the box. Beautiful. And I like that it's stitched here on the sides. I think that's really, really cool. I haven't seen that before. And it's like that on the front and the back. And then this spine is like its own separate thing. It does come with a band made onto the back that you can use to close it up and keep it closed. Yay! So you don't have your stuff just blowing in the wind, getting messed up inside of your bag or whatever. So if you take that band off, and it literally is attached to the book, then you have some cool inserts. There's a thank you and a little coupon code, some free gifts. Then we have these gorgeous stickers. Look at them, they're so pretty. And you can use these however you want. You put them in. And then we have these stickers as well. These like kind of skinny ones, so you can mark off certain things. Vacation, what else? Money saved, the months, don't forget, budget spend, hobbies, gifts, paid off, clothing, stuff like that. Then you have these icon stickers as well. So we've got stars and planes and houses. Is this upside down? Nope. But some of the stickers on here are. Oh, maybe I was holding it upside down. There you go. Now you can see. Houses, stars, money, planes, piggy banks, lots of other stuff. Super cute, right? So that's all the goodies that come with it. Then, once you get it open, it has these ribbons. I love these. These serve as your bookmark. So you can use just one, or you can use all three, maybe if you have like different things that you want to be able to get back to. On the back flap, there is a little pocket back here. But you got to be careful that you don't rip it on the sides, okay? But this pocket, I typically will keep like stickers and stuff in the back pocket when I am using like my 12-month planner. So that's probably what I'm going to do for this one as well, okay? But it is made of paper, so you want to be careful. Don't put anything really heavy in it, because you can split the pocket at the bottom, which is something I did with one of my previous planners. So then when you open it up, you open up to some declarations. So you are setting the intention before you even get into it. Then you're going to set your financial life's vision statement, your mission statement, who the planner belongs to, and your contact info. Then there is a map for how to get out of debt in 12 months, the financial freedom roadmap. Then we have the monthly financial budgeting process, and there's a map there too. What I love about this is that they tell you how to use it, okay? So then there are different steps before you even get into the individual months. So step one, you're going to set your financial goals. And you'll do this like for the whole year. You'll do this for the month. Step two, create your financial strategy. Step three, create your mind map or vision board. Step four, financial commitment and declaration form. So you are making your declarations, very important. Step five, restructure your debts, pay off high interest debts first. Step six, so this is all of the steps, the 9 steps that they talked about, and you have all those pages. And then it's undated. I did date it for December. Why did I put December 2022? Because I'm crazy, but so I'm gonna have to go back and change that to 2021. But yeah, this is for December 2021, so I will be using this week. And so this is like the monthly view, okay, of the month's goals. income sources, savings, habit trackers. And then you've got, on the next page, we've got monthly goals, the monthly balance sheet. So you can keep track of like your different bills, like your housing, personal, transportation, food, loans, medical and health, other upcoming bills, upcoming expenses. Then you get your spending, what is a spending summary or expense tracker. And so this is where you are going to log the incomings and the outgoings. So you have date, description, category, method, amount, and rank. Okay. And then it continues on this page. Then we have space for notes and reflection for this month. Then you have a monthly reflection where they want you to like really break it down. You've got your different jars. You'll answer some questions, some prompts, see where you are with things, how you're feeling about things. And then you get into the next month. So I love this. This is so cute. It's adorable. If we compare it to, I'm using my phone to film, but I do have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my God, an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't know why I couldn't say that. And so if we compare the size, 𝙑𝙬𝙧𝙀, then you can see it's not much bigger than my phone. Okay. And thickness, it's not much thicker than my AirPod case. Okay. And this just has such a wonderful feeling. I don't know if this is leather or not, to be honest. Let me see if it says it on here. I don't know, but I do know that the paper is from well-managed forests because the planet matters. Yeah, it's made from eco-friendly materials. So I don't know. I don't know what it's actually made of, but this is my brand new budget planner, and I will be using this December to December because I just don't want to wait until January. I mean, it's so freaking cute. Would you be able to wait an entire month? So this is my brand new planner and my brand new budget planner. I'm so excited to use it, and I hope that you will grab one too. I mean, if you are running your own businesses or business, then you definitely have to be keeping track of what's coming in and what's going out. And even if you're not, we all need to be paying attention to the budget, to what we're spending. And so this is a super cute, cool way to keep yourself on track. Let me see. I do see some declarations. I see more declarations in here. So it's not just at the very beginning of the book. Oh, cool. Yeah, because here's some more. So I don't know if it's for every month or every other month. Let me see real quick. It looks like it's for every other month, maybe. Nope. Maybe it's every quarter. I think it's every quarter. Okay. So I love it, and I can't wait to fill it in. It has been so challenging not filling it in, but I wanted to make sure that I gave you this review before I started using it. I've been using this brand for planners for several years now. If I look at my planners, it looks like 1, 2, 3. So I think this is going to be the 4th year that I've been with this brand of planners, and I really, really love them. So that is what I have for you for this budget planner. It's the Law of Attraction budget planner, and I do have a link below for you to be able to pick one up yourself. Okay. So make sure that if you want to make sure that you check out the video for the 12-month planner that I'll be doing right here. Okay. So you can see what that's like. And I hope that you found this helpful. By all means, sharing is caring. Share it far and wide. If you found this valuable and you want to hang out with me and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications every time I upload something new. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way YouTube and I know that this is of value to you. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.